Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make, where I always try to encourage you. If you can't get it to make, then make it make. Okay, so the title of this video is that I bought a house and an update, so let's just dive right into it. So yes, I did buy a house. My husband and I purchased a home together, and I'm sorry if this disappoints you, but it is actually this house. Now, if it looks different, it's because my husband and I, we wanted to get some things done. The house needed a lot of work. We've been living here for so long that there needed to be some much needed upgrades. Like for instance, we got the counters done. If you see this wall right here, we took out all of the cabinets on this side, we repainted. The counters needed to get done just because they were warped. All that canning for all these years just created like this embossed, warped bubbling that happened on the countertops. So because of that, you know, it was just, oh, and when we took, it's surprising, when you get into a project, there's all sorts of things that happen. We took out the countertops and there was like mold and stuff, so that had to be treated and taken care of. So now we have a counter that's not going to, it's going to withstand any heat. So I'm not worried about that as far as cooking in the kitchen. So this is the same house. Hopefully you could see that it is the same kitchen. It just looks different because we've remodeled lightly, I should say. Yeah, and it's a great home for us. There was really no need for us to upgrade, and I know by Western standards that our home is considered really small, but it's what we could afford, and it's perfect for us. We're not, my husband and I, we're not getting any younger, and our kids are going to be out of the house before we know it, and it's going to be great for retirement. So yeah, there's that. I do want to say, in me sharing this, us buying a home, I mainly want to share it because seriously, God is just so incredibly good. We've lived here again for 13 years, and for so long, I just wanted my own home. And not that, you know, it wasn't my home, but I just wanted to be able to do what I wanted with it. And it took 13 years. And I think God has just taught me, not that I think, I know the Lord has taught me so much in this process. And it actually gave me so much time to think about what I wanted to do. So finally, when it got done, I knew exactly what I wanted. It was also a blessing for so many other people to hear our story, and I hope it's a blessing to you. And God's not always going to answer our prayers the way we want them to, or in our timing. And sometimes it's not going to be the way we literally want it at all. But he does show up in a way that is going to continually refine our hearts. So whether we had honestly had this house or not, I had to come to peace to know that this was just my home, and you know, where God has placed us. And then before you knew it, we were able to buy it. Okay, so what's coming up in the future for this channel? I'm going to be very honest with you. I have some school that I'm going to be doing for the next 6 months. It's, you know, I want to get my license and for school, and so that means I'm just going to be very low key on this channel. It's not going to be forever. It's just that I can only focus on so many things at a time. I might put me cooking up meals if you guys want to see something like that. We're definitely going to be doing some canning, not a whole lot of canning. I thank God for the energy that I have more now these months than I did last summer. Last summer was really, really brutal when it came to energy. But I've been feeling a lot better, and I think we can get something done this summer. So I just want to let you know, it's just going to be basically what I have been doing the past couple months is kind of like posting rarely, but I am going to be posting, okay? I'm not ending my channel or anything like that. It's just my life is kind of turning in a different direction, and I want to bring you all with me. It's just going to look a little bit different as I navigate and sort of get a firm foundation on what my life is going to be looking like. So I just ask for a little bit of grace right now. Let's take a walk outside. Okay, hopefully you can hear me, because usually once I set outside, you could hear the traffic and the trains. See, we need a lot of work done in the sunroom. Our patio is just, I don't even want to show you, it's embarrassing, but we need work done. It'll come. It just takes time. But this is it. Not like you haven't been here before, but this is it. This is my stake in the ground. It needs a lot of work, but I'm happy. It's my stake in the ground. And I know, I'm hoping that we could use it to have some gatherings. I know my house is kind of small, but do something, you know. Look at this view. Oh my gosh, seriously, it's such a mess. But look at this view. In the morning, I make a cup of coffee and I feel so blessed to be able to look out here and have this view, even though all this stuff needs work. You know, I happen to be a normal person that just YouTubes, so I hope you can relate to that. Not every YouTuber is made of money. This right here is one of my favorite spots of the house, just because we got it redone. Like, why wouldn't it be? And because I practically live in the kitchen, or dun, 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 I live on the sofa chair when I have time. Okay. Anyway, I'm just updating you all, especially for the people who, you know, follow me and have questions and just want to know what's going on in my life. That's the update for now, but I will see you all soon. And thank you for just grace, I would say, and dealing with my postings, because I am not consistent right now on YouTube and I haven't been for a while. But I'm not gonna let YouTube go because it's my baby. It's my baby. I made it from nothing. Actually, you know, giving all the Lord the credit, but seriously, from nothing. Not letting it go. We still have much to do on this channel. But let me think about it, because the last thing I want to do is give you guys just crap, okay? Which this video may be that to you all, because I know most people expect canning from me. But, you know, life changes. People change. And I just don't know what that's going to look like. But guess what this girl can finally get? Chickens. That's right. Remember the chicken coop I had? I had to sell that. Yeah, because I wasn't allowed to have chickens here. But guess who can have them now? Again, I can't do that till later, because I have much to focus on here now. All right, guys, listen. I hope you stick with me. I'm not going anywhere. It's just going to be kind of up and down for a little bit. So if you can give me some grace, I'd appreciate it. As always, guys, take care and God bless.